This is going to be a short video on the Ixora, Western Ghats Ixora, and this one is it's a member of that coffee family, and it's an endemic species of our Western Ghats. Then it has very beautiful flowers, which look like this. That is white flowers with that some of the stem and all is a bit reddish. Then very fragrant. And that stamen and all is kind of green, and flowers are white and quite tiny, but very aromatic, and when you look at it closely, it's a marvelous thing. Then this one doesn't live in, I mean, it's never found in gardens because it has not entered the garden trade. So, and also it's very endangered. It only occurs in our Western Ghats region, and in moist evergreen forest only it lives. If you expose it to too much sun and all, it's going to die. So once that canopy is removed, it shrivels up and dies. Then it grows up to about 20 feet and all. And being an endemic species, and then also moist forest and all that, it is severely endangered, and unless it is saved in gardens and parks, this is one of the species that is bound to go extinct. That's the reason I'm covering it properly. And most people don't know that such a plant exists. I mean, the non-botanical people. And if of course, if one wants to grow them, first of all, they are not available easily. So probably you have to contact my own endemic species nursery, which I'm started working on. Anyway, this is how it looks. It's a member of the coffee family, and in the process of doing these videos, I have disturbed the ant colony. So also this Ixora brachiata, it is a host plant for one very nice butterfly also. So unless if that butterfly has to survive, then these plants have to be available for their larva to eat. It's called long banded silver line, Spindacis. Long banded silver line, those moths, they can digest this leaf. So they come and search for this plant, and they lay the eggs on these leaves so that their larva can survive. And this tender flower buds are almost like jewels there. That's how it looks. And if it is well watered and looked after and all, I'm sure it will flower more profusely. So that is how it looks. Very nice plant. It's a small, it's a big shrub or a small tree. That's what one can call it. And it has some reddish fruit, it seems, which I haven't seen so far, but when I get it, I'll definitely cover it. And leaves are shiny and nice, smooth leaves. This is a plant worth acquiring and growing. I don't know whether it will grow in other climatic zones, but in this Western Ghats zone, it's endemic and it will definitely do well if with little care.